Exercise 6.3, state which pairs of the triangle are similar. Write the similarity criteria used by you for answering the questions and also write the pairs of similar triangles in the symbolic form. So basically just see whether it's similar or not, state whatever is similar to whom. Okay. So now if you look here, 60 degree, 60 degree, 80 degree, 80 degree, 40 degree, 40 degree. The two triangles are similar, AAA criteria. So you can do it quickly, write down. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A is equal to angle P equal to 60 degree, angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 80 degree, angle C is equal to angle R equal to 40 degree. I can therefore say triangle ABC is similar to triangle 60 80 40, 60 80 40. So that is PQR. Criteria being AAA similarity criteria. Second part, 2 will correspond to 4, 3 will correspond to 6, 2.5 will correspond to 5. Agreed? So AB by QR, so 2 by 4 which is 1. Next, AC by 3 and 6, so PQ. AC by PQ, 3 by 6 which is 1 by 2, 2 by 4 is 1 by 2, not 1, 1 by 2, okay. And then BC by PR, 2.5 by 5, again 1 by 2. If you see all of them are 1 by 2, all the three will come equal, so you can therefore say AB by QR is equal to AC by PQ is equal to BC by QR. If three sides of a triangle are proportional, then we can say the two triangles are similar by what property? Similar SSS, similarity criterion. Now the question here is, what about the naming? I am going to go from 2, 2.5 and 3. 2, 2.5 and 3. So triangle ABC is similar to 2, 2.5 and 3. 2 corresponds to 4, 3 corresponds to 6 and 5. So 4, 6, 5. So RQP. What criteria is this? SS, S similarity criteria. Third part, 2 corresponds to 4, 3 corresponds to 6. But does 2.7 correspond to 5? No. So MP by DE is 2 by 4 which is 1 by 2. LP by DF is 3 by 6 which is 1 by 2. LM by EF is 2.7 by 5 which is 27 by 50, which cannot be reduced below. So since the three ratios are not equal, we can therefore say triangle, these two are same, right? So you can say 2, 3 and 2.7. So MPL is not similar to, actually naming doesn't matter. If it is not similar, you can name it however you want. Anyway, it's not similar. So just name anything. Fourth one, 2.5 twos are 5, 5 twos are 10, inclusive angle 70, inclusive angle 70, so it's matching, right? So can we do it like this? MN by PQ, 2.5 by 5, 1 by 2. Next, ML by QR, 5 by 10, which is again 1 by 2. So can I say MN by PQ is equal to ML by QR, so two sides are proportional, and the inclusive angle, angle M is equal to angle Q. Using these two, we can say triangle 2.575 NML is similar to 2.575, so 570 10 PQR. Criteria SAS similarity criteria. So in this figure, 2.5 twos are 5, 3 twos are 6. So we get AB by DF, 2.5 by 5, 1 by 2. We get BC by EF, 3 by 6, which is 1 by 2. So we get AB by DF is equal to BC by EF. But we want the including angle to be equal to. The including angle here is angle B. The including angle here is angle F. Including angles are not equal. Including angles, angle A is equal to angle F equal to 80 degree. But this is not the including angle that we want. So since the including angles are not equal, therefore triangle ABC is not similar to triangle DEF. Naming doesn't matter when it's not similar. Any order will do. Question 6. 70, 80 and 80, 30. Oh, you look, 80, 80 is matching, 70, 30 is not matching. Therefore, the two triangles are not similar. You'll feel that, but wrong. Why? Carefully observe 70 plus 80, 150. Using angle sum property, you will get this as 30. Using angle sum property, you will get this as 70. So basically, all three angles are matching in different order. Are they matching? Oh, the order is also the same. So, just by looking at the figure, you simply can't say it's not similar. You have to analyze it, see if the angles are equal if you use angle sum property. So, directly write down angle D equals angle P, angle E is equal to angle Q, angle F is equal to angle R. Therefore, triangle DEF is similar to triangle PQR, AAA, similarity criteria. In the figure, triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. Triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA, it's given. So this falls under given. And they've given angle BOC is now 125 degree, angle CDO is 70 degree. Find angle DOC, then find angle DCO, then find angle OAB. Follow the order itself. So write the two find. Now let's start the solution. Okay. First find angle DOC they've written, right? See, on a line, if you have a line, this is called a linear pair. Angle 1 plus angle 2 will be 180 degree, right? Why? Because linear pair adds up to 180 degree. So we can say this is a line, DB is a line. This angle plus this angle, DOC plus COB is 180 degree, right? So angle DOC plus angle COB is 180 degree. Why? Linear pair. Solve it. Angle DOC is equal to, or angle DOC plus 125 is equal to 180. Angle DOC is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree. Angle DOC is equal to 55 degree. So we've got the first result here, 55. Now go for DCO. DCO very simple. Angle sum property can I use? Yes, I can. So in triangle DOC, angle ODC plus angle DOC plus angle OCD is equal to 180 degree. ODC 70 plus 55 plus angle OCD is 180. Angle OCD is equal to 180 minus 70 plus 55, 125. Send the 125 this side. 180 minus 125. What is 180 degree minus 125? Again 55. The next angle that they've asked us to find is OAB, right? So they have already given us triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA, it's given. I want OAB. I want OAB. OAB. So OAB is similar to OCD. Why? Corresponding angles of similar triangle are equal. Write that reason down. OCD is equal to OAB. So can I say OAB? OCD is nothing but 55 degree. So OAB is also 55 degree. See, all these reasons in brackets that you have to write, many times I don't fill it up, but I say it, so you have to write it. But still, if you still have some doubt, and you want to verify it, please refer to the notes section in the app. You will understand it better. Question 3. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to CD. So I have AB parallel to CD. The diagonals, they are talking about the diagonals, intersect each other at the point O. Using similarity criteria for the following triangles, show that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. OA by OC is equal to OB by OD, which means you have to take this triangle and this triangle. Agreed? OA by OC is OB by OD. How do we do so? So now I'll be adapting to numbering my angles in the question, so it becomes easier than doing the naming A, B, C, D, E, F, right? So it will be easier for you as well. So I'll label this as angle 1, okay? This is angle 2. If this is angle 1, see, this is parallel to this. Parallel, parallel, transversal. Alternate interior angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Parallel, parallel, this is transversal. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Yes? So, AB is parallel to CD. So, I can say angle 1 equals angle 3. Angle 2 equals angle 4. So, what can we say? Why? How did this happen? Alternate interior angles. So, observe carefully. 1 and 3 match, 2 and 4 is a match. So, your naming is going to go from 1, nothing, 2. 1 line, nothing, 2 line. 1 line, nothing, 2 line. 1 line, nothing, 2 line is triangle AOB. 1 line, nothing, 2 line. This is 1 line. 1 line, nothing, 2 line. COD. Now go back to the question and see what you want. You want OA. So take OA. If you take OA from here, what should you take from there? OC. Fine. Next you want OB. So take OB from here. If you take OB from here, what should you take from here? OD. Do you want AB? You can take AB, but they don't want that. So stop here. Reason being, what was this reason? AA similarity criteria. What is this one's reason? Corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. Hence proved. In the figure, it is given that QR by QS, see carefully, QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. See, if it was QT by QP, what would happen? We get these two sides parallel, but they have not given that. Show that, and angle 1 equals angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Because angle 1 is equal to angle 2, can I say this line is equal to this line? Why? If base angles are equal, their opposite sides are also equal. In isosceles angles, if the angles are equal, these two sides are equal. If these two sides are equal, their angles are equal. We know this already, right? So QP is equal to PR. Fine. You have to prove triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Easy. The catch over here is to say these two are equal. So in this given condition, QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. So QR by QS is equal to QT by PR, but angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So I can say QP is equal to PR. Why? Because sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So can I replace PR by QP? Yes, I can. I am replacing PR by QP. So what happened? This side got included. Now see, this side by this side is equal to this side by this side. So what can I say? PS is parallel to TR. How? Converse BPT. PS is parallel to TR. Reason being converse BPT. Now easy. Since this is parallel to this, can I now say this angle is equal to this angle? Yes. And angle 1 equals common. So, if I take this big triangle and I take this small triangle, 1 and 1 is common, and this angle is equal to this angle because corresponding angles. AA similarity criteria, the two triangles are similar. Let's complete it. In triangle PQS and triangle PQR, angle Q equals angle Q, that is common, or let's use 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to label this as 1, 2 is over 3, 4. Okay, angle 1 equals angle 1, common, angle 3 equals angle 4, corresponding angles, as who's parallel to whom? PS is parallel to TR. So, since these are equal, then I can therefore say the two triangles are similar. Triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR, criteria being AA similarity criteria. Question 5. S and T are points on sides PR and QR of triangle PQR. So, I have a triangle PQR. S is a side on PR. S is a point on PR. T is a point on QR, such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. They have given these two angles are equal. You have to prove that RPQ is similar to RTS. Triangle, okay. Very easy, direct question this is. Angle R equals angle R is common. See here, given, what are two triangles you want? We want RTS and we want the big triangle RQP. So, in triangle RTS and triangle RQP, the order of naming does not matter here because we are not saying it is similar. Angle 1 equals angle 2 given. Angle R equals angle R common. So, I have two angles from the small triangle equal to two angles from the big triangle. The two triangles are similar. Order of naming matters. RTS. So, triangle RTS is similar to so basically double 1 nothing, double 1 nothing, double 1 nothing, double 1 nothing, RPQ. Criteria, AA similarity criteria. In the figure, triangle ABE is similar to triangle ACD. You have to prove that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. First of all, in ADE and ABC, we have angle A equals angle A common. Okay, we will see what can we do with the given part. It is given that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Okay, this question is little tricky. So, what I am going to do? I am going to mark everything I want. AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Next, BE is equal to CD. BE is equal to CD. AE is equal to AD. AE is equal to AD. Now observe carefully, you can see this white line AB. AB is a bigger triangle, AD is a smaller triangle. So can I write AB by AD is equal to, what is AB? AC. What is AD? AE. How? From these two, from 1 and 2. So we got AB by AD is equal to AC by AE, and angle A equals angle A. SAS, two sides are proportional and the common angle is, the inclusive angle is equal. So therefore, we can say triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC, criteria being SAS similarity criteria. So while writing these conditions, you have to mention which triangles you are taking. So please include this over here. You should write in triangle ADE and triangle ABC. It's a good practice. That's how you answer it. In the figure, altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at point P. Show that. Show all this. So these are altitudes. That means they've given that this angle is 90 and this angle is 90. Write that down in given. Now let's start with the first one. They are asking us to prove AEP is similar to CDP. 90-90 is already there. See, 90-90 is already there. And vertically opposite angles, these two angles are equal. Can I therefore say this triangle is similar to this? AA similarity criteria? Yes, I can. So what are the two triangles they're telling you to take? In triangle AEP and triangle CDP, I'm going to use numbering because we're going to use a lot of angles here, 1 and 2, okay. So 3 and let's do the numbering like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's start. Angle 2 equals angle 5 equals 90 degree given. Angle 1 equals angle 4, vertically opposite angles. Therefore, we can say, what can we say? Triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Now, second part, ABD and CBE. ABD and CBE. ABD, CBE. There is common angle B in both cases and there is a 90 also. See, angle B equals angle B in triangle. See, again I will just show it. See here, ABD, ABD, CBE. So there is a B angle common and there is a 90 and 90. For this triangle this is 90, for this triangle this is 90. So we already have two angles there. So write down in triangle ABD and triangle CBE, angle B equals angle B common. What's the other criteria? The 90. Angle ADB is equal to angle CEB equal to 90 degree given. Therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Third one, triangle AEP. AEP is similar to triangle ADB. Angle A equals angle A common, 90-90. Yes. So write down in triangle, both the triangles, name it. Angle A equals angle A common, and we have angle AEP equal to angle ADB, 90 degree given. Therefore, triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. Next, PDC, PDC, PDC and BEC, BEC. You have a 90 and 90 and you have angle C equals angle C common. So, in triangle PDC, and triangle BEC. Angle C equals angle C common, and we have angle CEB equal to angle CDP equal to 90 degree given because it's altitude. Write the reason. Therefore, triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. AA similarity criteria. I haven't written the similarity criteria everywhere. Please add it. AA similarity criteria for all the 4 cases. Question 8. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. So we have a parallelogram ABCD. E is a point on AD produced. So produce AD. A to D produce. Don't produce this side. Let's call this point E. And BE, that means join BE, intersects CD at F. Show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Okay. So now this side and this side are parallel. Yes? This side and this side are parallel. Can I say this angle is equal to this angle? Yes, I can. Yes? Next. So let's call this as 1 and 2. Also, this side and this side are parallel. So this is the transversal. Can I say this angle is equal to this angle? Yes. Why? Alternate interior angles. So I have 2 angles from this triangle equal to 2 angles from this triangle. This is one triangle, this is the other. 2 angles from this triangle equal to 2 angles from this triangle. Hence the 2 triangles are similar, similarity criteria being AA. Let's write it. So you've taken the 2 triangles in triangle ABE and triangle BFC. What do we have? Angle, first you write on Y, okay. So CF is parallel to BA or AB. So I can write angle 1 equals angle 2, reason being alternate interior angles. Now you are changing your parallel line set. So now you write AE is parallel to BC. Why is it parallel? Because opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel. Here also opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel. So I can now say angle 3 equals angle 4. Therefore, I can now say triangle 1, 4, nothing, or yellow, red, nothing. So triangle BEA, okay, they want ABE, so take ABE. So ABE, nothing, 1, 4, nothing, yellow, red, nothing, yellow, red, nothing, yellow, red, triangle CFB. Is that what you get? Is that what they want? Yes. Criteria, AA similarity criteria. In the figure, ABC and AMP are 2 right triangles, right angled at B and M respectively. Prove that. They've already marked the right angles. You have to prove that ABC is similar to AMP. See, look here. ABC is similar to AMP. You have a 90, and you have angle A common. So look, common 90, nothing, common 90, nothing, hence proved, right? Easy. So the first part, in triangle ABC and triangle AMP, angle A equals angle A common, and angle AM, we are doing ABC first, so write the ABC condition first. Angle ABC is equal to angle AMP equal to 90 degree. How? Given. Therefore, we can write ABC, triangle ABC. ABC is common 90, nothing. Common 90, nothing. AMP. That's exactly what they have asked. If you observe the second condition asked, CA by PA. So take CA by PA here. CA, then you take PA from here. Next, BC, You take BC from here, who comes here? MP. So, reason for this was AA similarity criteria. Reason for this is corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional, hence proved.